Assalamu alaikum. I recommend that you wear the ninja cap for this type style of hijab. I'm going to be using a chiffon scarf. Place the chiffon scarf on top of your head with one side shorter and the other one longer. Frame the hijab around your face and get a long pin and place it on top of your head just to secure it for you to create this style. From the shorter side, take the edge of the hijab and take it over to the other side and place it on your ninja cap just above your ear, and with a long pin just secure it. As you can see, why I recommend you wear the ninja type of cap, because your neck will be visible. Remove your top pin and frame the scarf on round your face how you would prefer. Take another pin and secure it on the side of the head. It's better to have more pins than less. You have a dangly bit of the scarf on the front. You can wrap it around your neck or just put it over your shoulder and use a straight pin and pin it at the back. Now with the longer side, take the inner bit and not the outer, the inner, and pinch and pleat. Pinch and pleat to create those pleats. With this sort of style, there will be a lot of playing around to get the right effect. As you can see, all the pleats. It does take a bit of time. Grab yourself a straight pin and gently push it in just to secure those pleats together. Now take the pleated side and put it around the other side of the shoulder. As you can see, you have to play around to frame your face how you like it. As you can see the pleats. Grab another straight pin and place it on top of your head, and then you can pinch on the top and pleat it, create creases to give you the more pleated look. Grab another pin and place it how you would like. There will be a lot of fabric around the face because this is the style. Some people prefer having that, or sometimes it annoys other people, so you can move it away from your face and just pin them back. Grab another straight pin and secure it on the other side so it doesn't move around, and there we go. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more. Thank you.